It's time for the last cash stuffing of the year. Wow, it feels weird to say that. Hi, what's up? It is Thursday, December 28th, and I'm going to apologize in advance right now. My daughter is down here with me because my husband is actually away overnight tonight, and I needed to get this video filmed. So it's probably going to be a little bit crazy, a lot of interruptions. And yeah, you may see some little hands in here. So I'm going to try to hurry up because I actually have the live with Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets in just under an hour now. So let me just try to get this done because I do want to get this posted tomorrow, Friday. So here's my change. I have a ton of quarters because my family and I played left, right, center on Christmas, and we like to play with quarters. Interruption number one. Hold, please. Okay, so we play left, right, center on Christmas, and we play with quarters, and I won a few games, so yay! So that took our jar to almost halfway full, and I think now I'm gonna go ahead and cash this in because, you know, I may get a little bit of change, but it's literally the 28th. There's only a few days left of the year, so yeah. Okay, next let's check rollover, and I know I said this, but wow, is that wallet a lot lighter. I barely have any. The spending happened, and it's weird because, you know, it was the holiday and we were kind of home a lot. I don't know. It happened. So in fun, we have $30. Kids, nothing. Dining, nothing. And then miscellaneous, we have 40. So that's it for the rollover. So 20, 40, 60, 70 bucks. So, you know, I'll take it. I'll take any amount of rollover. So I'm going to put that to the side for savings challenges. And then today we are working with $500, you guys. I'm so excited because this month was a magic month, and with this paycheck here, I'm going to be able to put a lot of money into my sinking funds, which is why I'm working with 500. So yes, I'm super excited. Let me get my budget out because I did forget it. But let's just count the money while we're here. So again, this should be 500, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85. And I will need to make change for myself at some point out of the binders, but that's okay. Let me grab my budget. Okay, so this is my seasonal undated budget planner, and I started this in November because I really just wanted to start it, but I will be continuing this throughout the year. It is... Okay, go play. I'll be there in 1 minute, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, go play. It is full color inside, and each month has a different like theme or background, and I just love it. So if you happen to be interested in this planner, it is linked below in my description box of every video. I also have a neutral version if that's more your jam, just in case you happen to need a new budget planner, or, you know, maybe you might even just want a little change. So here's the budget. Let's do this. Let's get the binder out. Oh wait, before we do that, we gotta stuff the wallet. So my cash stuffing amounts are always the same. They never change. Fun is gonna get 140, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40. And we got a babysitter for New Year's Eve. So we are gonna go out. So I am probably gonna spend a lot of this. Kids gets 20. If you're wondering about this wallet, dining gets 80, 20, 40, 60, 80. I did show this, I don't know, on one of my previous videos or my lives. The brand is Bella Taylor, and so far I'm really liking it. It has the built-in cash envelopes here, and it comes with these little like white labels. And then the thing I love about it is that the cards here are separate. So, you know, if you just need a card, you only have to open the front part or vice versa. So if you happen to be interested in this wallet, it is linked down below in my description box as well. Miscellaneous gets 40. Okay, so kids, dining, 20, 40, 60, 80, and then miscellaneous gets 40. Okay, that is it for the wallet. Let's set this aside and let's get stuffing these sinking funds. Okay. First things first, Prime is gonna get 20 bucks. I am almost at my goal for this. Let's add, oh, you know what? I need prop money. So here's what I do, because if you've been following me for a bit, you know I use prop money as well as real cash. And just to make my life a little bit easier, when I am writing out my budget for my sinking funds, I put a little C if I want to do that fund in cash, or a little P in prop. If there's nothing notated, it means it's prop money. But I've said this a million times, I get my cash out of the ATM. I can only get increments of 20. So for example, this birthday's $75. I like to have my birthday fund in real cash, but I can't just get a $5 bill out of the ATM, which is why 5 of it is in prop money and then the rest is in real cash. So hopefully that makes sense. But that is how I, you know, just make it easy for myself so I know exactly how much I need to get out of the ATM and so on. And then once I'm done doing the cash stuffing, what I do is I go through and I add up all of the prop money here as well as the savings challenge money, because that's always in prop money. And then that is the amount that I deposit into my high yield savings account over in Ally. So hopefully that makes sense. So let's grab a 20 out. Okay, so 20, and so now here in Prime, we have 100, 150, 70, 90, 200, and I only have one more $20 spot to go, and then this will be fully funded. Yes! All right, stick this back in here. So that is Prime. Beauty is not getting anything. Vacay is getting 300. And once again, this is prop money. So I have 300 here to add, and let's see what we have in here now. This is starting to build up nicely, and I love it. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 900, 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 994. Yes, and that's a weird amount. I just took $41 out of this because I had to pay for something related to the cruise. So that is nice. Okay, subscriptions. We already added 2. Okay, interruption number 2. All right, so next we have emergency. Emergency is getting 150. I love that because, you know, it's super duper important to add to an emergency fund continually. So let me go ahead and write this here on my tracker. Okay, so I wrote that down, and I also colored in $150 worth of 10s. And you guys, we are almost done with the 10s. I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see that, but we have this row of 10s, and then the rest are 5s. Yes! Love that. Okay, so let's put the 150 in, and let's see where we're at. We have 1,000, 1,200, 13, 14, 50, 1,500, 20, 35. 1535. Nice. Love it. Okay. That is emergency. Next is debt, and debt is getting a whopping 200, which, yes, I'm so excited. I still have what is currently in here, plus finished savings challenges to stuff into this to make a nice payment here at the end of this year, plus however much my change adds up to. So I'm super excited. So with the addition of 200, we now have 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 550, 75, 85, 6, 7, 8, 9, 95, 90. Yes, $590. Yes. Don't play with that, honey. Okay, medical is gonna get 100. This is so much more money than I normally stuff, and it just honestly feels amazing. I love it. Medical is one that has just been continually drained because the kids have been sick so much. We had doctor's visits and then, you know, had to get medications and etc. And they were small amounts. I mean, we do not have, luckily, any kind of like big medical bills or anything like that, but still small amounts still add up. So in here now we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, 205, 205. So that is nice. Sorry for the noise. It's unfortunately inevitable. Okay, Penelope is getting 150. And again, I'm trying to beef this up because she has her vet visit. I still actually need to make the appointment, honestly. I'm really slacking. Let me grab a new tracker. But anyway, she is due for her vet visit, like, you know, the first week of January or so. So I really need to just call and make the appointment. So she is getting 150. And if you like these trackers, by the way, they are a digital download in my Etsy shop, just in case you happen to like them. All right, so in here now we have 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 450, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 600, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 624. Woo! Okay, go sit down. I'll get you some fish. Okay, household is getting 50. This I am saving for if we ever needed to replace an appliance or anything like that. I'm happy to say we haven't, you know, needed to use it yet, knock on wood. So just kind of a rainy day fund, if you will. Okay, so in household we have 100, 50, 70, 90, 210, 25, 30, 245, 235. Perfect. Okay. Clothing is not getting anything. Car maintenance is going to get 50. And I actually need to renew my license. And so that's going to probably come out of here, even though it's not technically car maintenance, it's related to driving. So I'm probably just going to take that out of here. I'm not sure how much that is. Okay, so we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 40, 50, 60, 75, 80, 586, 186. Yes, that's correct. Household. Okay, you guys, I messed up because Penelope, I put in 150 and that was supposed to be real cash. So let me take that out, 150 and 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60. Let me see if I have a 10 I could take out of here. Not looking like it.
Muffin.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Muffin.
Okay, wait a second. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Muffin.
Go figure. I'm $2 short.
Muffin.
Okay, so I need to make change here. Let's see. 2 10s, and I'll take a 20. All right, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50. Okay, so let's just count this again just to make sure this is correct. So we should have 624, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 3, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 5, 50, 70, 80, 95, 600, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay. I really need to hurry this up. Okay. And then gifts / birthdays is getting the rest, which should be 75, 20, 40, 60, 70, and then 5 in prop money. Once again, just because I cannot take increments of 5 out of the ATM. So 75 here in birthdays.
Mom. Mommy, Poppy happy.
Okay, 1 minute, honey.
Poppy happy.
And so in here we have 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 55, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 175. Perfect. All right, I gotta let you go. I have to get her to bed and then get on the live. Thank you so much for joining me. I love you all so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.